It's time for a box full of magic, because this one comes from Magic Buttons. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector! In today's video we are going to take a close look at the Pocket Dream Console that includes 60 games. The people from Magic Buttons sent me this product to review, just to check it out, and when I'm done I'm going to send it back. But alright, so what are we going to get with this system? It comes with the manual handheld game system. Everything is in Dutch, by the way. So basic explanation about the games. I know I did some reviews about a similar product. I'm very curious what kind of games this one has. Wow! This is what we call an used and abused portable system. Look at this! All the paint is off this. Oh my god, all the paint is it's removed because of the use. Oh, we're having the D-pad, menu, AB, LED indication, I'm guessing more power. AV is a little bit strange that it has an EV port because it doesn't have rechargeable batteries. Or you can use rechargeable batteries and just recharge it. But alright, we have an, let's see, an L and R, the top shoulder buttons. Very clickish, very compartment. Let's see, at the bottom we're finding on and off switch and we're having a jack out. Right, very curious, what are we going to get? Ooh, Conny. Pocket Dream Console. Alright, let's do a zoom in and let's see what kind of games we're having on this system. Because I'm very curious. And not to forget, we're having the volume control over here. Alright, let's zoom in and let's see. What are we going to get? Alright, so we have puzzle, action, venture. I'm guessing they mean adventure? No, it is not. Relax, sport, and table. Let's check a close look at the puzzle games. Pick, talent, dark tower, Tenta blocks, move box. Dark tower, sounds exciting. Okay, what I'm noticing with this is, looks very nice. For, let's say, just homebrew games. More like 16-bit graphics. I received a red key. Alright, so it's more like a hack and slash game, but it's just calculating everything. Oh, you can just speed it up. Receive small health potion. The yellow key. What is this? Receive the red gem. Oh, there was an enemy. Oh, I'm almost dead. Ooh, nice. Alright, let's play another game. Oh, that was just lucky. I have really no clue what I am doing over here. Alright, Zero Jet. The action games. Tank Defender. Oh, this is basically like the tank game from the 8-bit system, only I don't know what the D-pad is doing, but... Let's play Ace Helicopter. Weird controls. Why do I get this Desert Strike, Jungle Strike feeling with this game? Or were just better graphics? Yeah, better. Funny. Yeah, indeed. Shuttle button doesn't do... Oh yeah, the shuttle doesn't do anything. Yeah, they do. Cool. Whee! I must say, it looks pretty nice. Oh yeah. Pretty basic, but... Okay, this looks really cool. Oh, it started really cool, but... That's it? Yeah. Alright, let's go back through some other games. Relax. Spider Dino. That sounds relaxing. What is this supposed to be? I have really no clue. Jumping Pixie. Oh. Oh, they basically rip off everything. Oh my god, seriously. Fun match 2. Aha. Alright, Street Boy. A very basic beat 'em up. What the hell? What the? It's getting weirder, man. Just keep getting weirder. Alright, so the games you can find on this thing are pretty funny. They're not licensed games like, for example, Tank or Mario or that kind of game, just basic homebrew games, and they look pretty decent. And some of them are fun to watch and play. Need the shoulder buttons. Alright, so for the final conclusion about this product, the Pocket Dream, I must say I can appreciate this model because there's some funny games. There are rip-off from original games. Some games are pretty damn horrible. But in overall, if you get this, I think it's not bad at all. It's got some fun games. And they're not a licensed game like we know of from the 16-bit and 8-bit area, but they are just basically some rip-offs. That's what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. Did you even get this model? Maybe some of you did play this for a very long time. So if you're interested in product like this, you can always check the website, magicbutton.com. Maybe leave a link in the description. And if you want to see more awesome Wicked content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.